About 2 days ago we did this, function transformations. We took a whole paper.
Yeah, I remember.
All right, we're going to add the last type of function.
Oh.
Okay, so we've done absolute value functions. We've done linear. Actually, you're going to do linear today because you're going to work on green block. You're going to slay the boogers with linear functions. On that last column now, go ahead and write quadratic functions. Quadratic. So quadratic functions. Okay. We have absolute value, we have linear, we have quadratic. Last one before the year ends. I'll graph one right now so you can remember what a quadratic function looks like. It doesn't look like a V like the absolute value. It doesn't look like a line. It's a different type of shape. I'll show you right now. But let's talk about the parent function. What does a parent function look like? Check this out, Lozano. Left corner here we go. F of x, here we go. The parent, before the parent has a child, it looks like this. F of x equals x squared. You take that variable and raise it to the second power. That's your parent, yep. This is the parent function. What does a child look like? Well, the child looks like the rest of these, but with a slight difference. You have a second power going on here. Watch this. You still have the a value, you still have the h value, you still have the k value, but look at how it looks now. Watch this. F of x will equal to a times the quantity x minus h, all raised, watch this, all raised to the second power plus k. Plus k. Let's put in a little k there. There it is. Notice how the structure is the same as the linear and the absolute value. The only difference now is we're taking everything to the second power. We're taking the x to the second power. And that creates a certain type of shape, and I'll get into that right now. What if the a value is in the inside? It's the same. You still have a horizontal shrink or stretch. So go to write same. You still have the same of a horizontal shrink or stretch. What if the a is on the outside? You still have the same, a vertical shrink or stretch. Go to write same. What about the h? Same. The h is still a horizontal slide, left or right, but same.
Bless you. You're welcome.
And last but not least, k is going to be a vertical translation, so it's the same also. Is that easy or what? Watch this though. Ron, let me talk, buddy. Let me type in the parent function real quick on Desmos just so you can see. You get a quick look-see of what it looks like. Watch. Watch this, Ron. All right. There's my parent. Let's get the parent of a quadratic. Let's call it parabola. Let me put a projector for pick this up. We got ourselves a parabola. Let's go ahead and shift it to the right. 5 units. Look what I'm going to do with the parent. Let me copy and paste this puppy. Watch this. Look at this. Oops, yikes. Watch this. What would I do to the x if I want to move this to the right 5 units? Help, somebody.
Minus 6.
Minus what?
5.
You're the man.
Wait, who is?
Watch this. You are. Watch this. Watch this. Minus, one more time, Ruano. Minus what?
5.
And look what I'm going to do. I'm going to shut those parentheses, and I'm going to put a second power, and look what I did.
I really just guessed.
5. No worries, Ruano. What if I want to shift this up 7? What do I do?
You, add it, right?
Outside or inside? The K or the H?
The H. I mean the K.
Watch this. I'm going to put plus. Look at this. Plus 7. There it is. So everything's the same. Everything's the same. That's the moral of the story today.
I didn't think this would be that easy.
You guys are Math 2 students. When you guys are in Math 1 or in pre-algebra, you guys never would have dreamed that the dream of a day when you would actually be handling quadratic, linear, and absolute value functions all at one shot, at one time. You guys are able to do it now. Unless you've been looking at your phone for the past 3 days. I'm not going to mention any names.
This is actually like the only math class I actually learned something.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Extra stand.
Me too.
It's the only math class.
Extra stand for that compliment.
No, like I'm being like straight up like every other math.